When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. I'd rather be optimistic and wrong than pessimistic and right. Life is too short for long-term grudges. Some people don't like change, but you need to embrace change if the alternative is disaster. Patience is a virtue, and I'm learning patience. It's a tough lesson. If something's important enough, you should try, even if the probable outcome is failure. I think it's very important to have a feedback loop, where you're constantly thinking about what you've done and how you could be doing it better. I think that's the single best piece of advice. Constantly think about how you could be doing things better and questioning yourself. I would like to die on Mars, just not on impact. I think there should be regulations on social media to the degree that it negatively affects the public good. If you're trying to create a company, it's like baking a cake. You have to have all the ingredients in the right proportion,